For the first time ever in our country's history, the thing that's going to put people out of work, namely AI, is also the thing that can make those very workers more productive. And if we could figure out, if we could be the country that figures out that unlock, I think that's huge.
Yeah.
So I think it's core research and development. I was the architect of the CHIPS Act to bring back semiconductor manufacturing to the US. We've seen massive increases in research and development there, innovation and growth. I already talked about tax incentives. We do need that for industries to grow. But also, look, a lot of people are going to lose their job because of AI. That's a sad and brutal thing. By the way, my dad lost his job when his manufacturing job went to China. And it was tough, really tough on my family. And we're from Rhode Island. A lot of people in Rhode Island lost their job when manufacturing went to China. But here's the difference. If we can use AI to take, I'll just use my dad, for example, if there could have been a thing that helped my dad learn how to do something else, the China shock would have had much less disruptive impact on our country. And so I want to try to get people to think about it that way. You know, you talk Dario, well, whoever you like, you know, the guy who runs Anthropic, pick your favorite AI person. They claim we're going to be able to use AI. His recent statement was to take somebody from rural Appalachia or Compton and use AI to teach that person to be producing the next AI apps. Well, if that's true, let's figure out how to do it, because that'll make us the most productive country on the planet.